Hello guys, my name is Arusha Aslam. I am a content strategist at DevSync. Today we welcome Sidra Anwar. She is a well-qualified HA professional and she has an experience of more than 8 years in the field of HA. Hello Sidra.
Hello, Arusha.
So we are so glad to have you on board. My first question to you would be, why did you choose to join DevSync?
Okay, thank you so much, Arusha. Why I choose DevSync? Of course, I have multiple reasons. Very first reason is the vision of DevSync. That was really inspiring to know about DevSync, that it is the fastest growing IT company and they have a vision to become the biggest IT firm, not only in Pakistan but across the region. And obviously, it will help me a lot to grow, not only professionally, but obviously, it will help me to create a great impact in the society as well. A second foremost reason was when I met with team, I really like the harmony, I really like the friendly nature, and that really motivated me to be the part of culture where people are more comfortable and they are very much open about their choices to work, and they really provide the autonomy. So these were the multiple factors that really motivated me and inspired me to be the part of DevSync.
Thank you for your kind words, Sidra. We are also very lucky to have you. Since you mentioned DevSync has a plan of becoming the biggest IT firm of Pakistan, so what is your strategy to achieve that?
Yeah, I have multiple strategies. I have multiple plans to achieve. Number one is that I want to bring the best talent from the industry for DevSync. By best talent, I mean they will not only have the best technical abilities, but they will have good leadership skills. As we claim to be the biggest IT firm, so we want to onboard those people who could become the part of our agenda to make us the best in not only in Pakistan but across the region. My number second strategy and my main approach is to make DevSync as the preferred choice of employer, and I want to do it through bringing the best HR practices. And by practices, I mean that I want to introduce some good learning and development programs. I want to introduce the best reward management strategies, and I want to build a value-based culture where people feel more comfortable and happy.
Wow, that sounds so great. We would be looking forward to it. So, speaking of, we recently started calling our HR department HA. So, what is the reason behind that?
Well, that's a very good question, Arusha. When we say resource means resources are more like a tool that you used. Once you use, that are consumed. But when we say assets, the concepts of assets says that assets develop over the time. So at DevSync, we really call our human as assets, not resources, because we believe that we will develop them over the time and they must be developed for a common vision that I said earlier to you.
Sidra, that's a very interesting concept. So, being the head of HA, how are you and your team planning to go extra mile?
As I said earlier, Arusha, that we want to build DevSync as a preferred choice of employer. This is our main agenda. And having said that, I have multiple programs that I have planned. Number one is that we want to have a program for the unemployed people. We want to build program where people will be developed, and they will be developed with the intent to create more employment opportunities for them. That those opportunities will not be just limited to DevSync, but they will be able to grab it across the Pakistan and across the region. We will build more industry linkages that will help them to grab these opportunities. Another good initiative that we want to take is that we want to establish an incubation center, and purpose of this center will be to facilitate the people who want to bring new ideas and who want to build an entrepreneurial journey. And of course, DevSync really want to help them in that. And one more thing that we are planning to do in next couple of years is to build a very big complex in the center of this city. The purpose of this complex will be to provide the best infrastructure and facilities to the people who are working, and of course who will be working with DevSync going forward. And number third program that is in our priority list is Leadership Academy. We want to build an academy where we will be planning to introduce multiple programs to enhance and to develop the leadership abilities of our people.
These initiatives sounds very cool, and I believe people who will be joining DevSync would be very lucky. So do you have any message for them?
I want to suggest to upcoming talent to please focus more on building your skills and building more your competences. Second, I want to suggest you to please focus more on setting up big goals and take step every day to achieve those goals. Thirdly, I want to suggest that be more disciplined, be more focused, and be more committed when it comes to be the part of any the process with any other company. Having said that, I want to tell you that if you are interested to be the part of DevZing, we have right now approximately 100 plus openings. So you can go to our website, you can go to our careers page, you can see all the openings there and you can apply.
Thank you, Sidra, for joining us and answering these important questions. And I wish you good luck for your journey in DevSing. And thank you guys for watching.